Welcome back. Now within the Audience tab, you also have the ability to create surveys. What you can do here is to go to this tab that says Surveys. And you can click on this button that says Create a Survey. And you can use the Survey Creator to both work with the individuals in your audience as well as add individuals to that same audience. We can click on Add Questions. And we can then click on Add a Question. And we can add in several different kinds of survey questions. So for example, we can use one of the available methods here. We can use a checkbox, which will allow the individual to select multiple answers from a list of options. For the sake of this video and example, we are going to click that one. And we're going to write in a question. And then we're going to write in some options. We can then hit return to add another option. Again, we can hit the return button. And we have several options available to us with this kind of question. So for example, we can make it so that certain questions are going to be required. And then we can make it so that we can toggle other options. We can then edit or name our survey. We can then click Save. Once we've added in the questions, we can then design our survey. So we can add in our branding. For example, we can add in a specific image. We have our logo available. We can add it. We can add in any custom messaging. And we can add in a different style. Once we have created the survey that we want, we can then click Save and Close. And we can customize our survey. And when we are ready to begin using it, we can then turn on the survey. We can then copy the survey URL, and we can also view the survey page. And we can see what the customer or prospect will see. Now obviously, one of the reasons that you set up your survey with your autoresponder is you want to make it easier or more reasonable for an individual to sign up for your email list. So what we're going to do now is we're going to edit our existing survey. And we are going to add in a question. This time what we're going to do is we're going to add in an email question. We're going to give the individual an opportunity to ask us a question. And so what we're going to do here is we're going to click on this button, and then we're going to give them the opportunity to ask us to be subscribed to our newsletter. So we're going to add that question to the survey, and then click Save and Close. Once you've added that question, you can then click View Page. You'll then be able to see your question, and then the individual will have the opportunity to write in their email address and then ask to be subscribed to our newsletter, and then submit their email address. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.